Okay, hello there. I'm Dennis. Today we're going to go over how to clone an operating system using your Virtualbox. Today I'm going to clone Arch Linux, the base installation. You might want to use this sometime. You can clone it and then experiment or test with your clone rather than messing up your original. So let me get this started. We do have the Virtualbox editions installed, so when we clone, those should carry right over with it. Alright, so I'm going to log in with my username, Dennis. Give it my trusted password. And I'm going to say ls space -l. It says there's nothing in there, so we're going to make a directory. Make a directory /testing. Okay. How could that file possibly exist? Alright, so how about we go, let's remove that one then. So remove testing. It's the directory. Okay. Sudo remove dir space /testing. Now ls space -l again shows us nothing. So sudo mkdir space /testing. Okay, so now let's go ls space -l, and it still didn't show us anything. I'm going to repeat that and see if it says it already exists. Okay, it already exists. Cool. So sudo nano /testing. And this is a directory. ls-l says we have nothing. Sudo make dir space /testing. It already exists. Sudo remove rf /testing. Alright, so sudo make dir testing. Okay, let's see if it lists it. And it does list it. It's in the testing, so now we can hopefully go sudo nano /testing. We open up a file and we're going to say this is a test for 100% VBox transfer. Could have just said hello. Hello. Okay, so Control O will save this or write it out. Enter confirms it. Wrote 11 lines or one line, and Control X to get out of there. Control L. So now let's see ls space -l, and we see our testing. Go nano /testing, and notice I didn't use sudo, so I can't adjust it, but there it is. And we'll say Control X to get out of there, Control L to clean the screen, and now we'll shut down and commence to cloning this. I was totally relieved when I learned how to do this. So I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to say clone, and it automatically renames it, or just names it with clone on the end of it. And I'm going to say keep the disk names, keep hardware UUIDs, and say next, and we're going to make a full clone as opposed to a linked clone. If you have a linked clone and something happens to the original file, it will no longer work. If you have a full clone, you can delete the original file and it will continue to work. So I'm going to click on clone. If all goes well, in about a minute we should have a fully functional clone of our Arch Linux base installation. Give this a minute. And in theory, we should be able to open this up, have the guest editions installed and working, and we should be able to find that folder and open that file, or open that directory and open the file. Okay, alright, so there it is there, and we're going to click on Start It. Showing us grub, that's a good sign. We know that we at least got the grub copied over. This gives you complete freedom now to experiment in your cloned system. Okay, so if it's all the same, I should be able to sign in with my username and my password. And I should be able to go ls space -l, and it lists testing. Okay, so now I should be able to go sudo nano /testing. And this is a test for 100% VBox transfer. And I use sudo in case if you was doing this and you wanted to change this for whatever reason, you could do it. But I'm not going to do anything, so I'm just going to Control X to get out of here, Control L to clean the screen. Since I'm in here, I might as well go sudo pacman space -SYU. See if there's any updates. And there shouldn't be, I just installed this today. So there you go, with the exception of it saying it already had that directory created. I just deleted it, created a new one, and you see me open it up, everything was there. So I'm going to say shut down now, and it should shut down. And now what we got is an exact copy of our original Arch installation. It's just the base. If you clone it like I did here, now I'm free to open this one up and install a desktop on it. I could leave it as the base if I wanted to. If I bork it, so what? I could just right click on it, select remove, and guess what? It's gone. And then right click again on your original Arch and say clone. Do the same thing. Keep your UUIDs and the hardware names. Select full clone and you will have it. So, good luck. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.